Okay, I'm getting ready to build my regulated ABC battery eliminator kit from Antique Electronic Supply. And this is just a whiteboard, like a breadboard, and it's got all the connections on it. I made me a little screwdriver here with a point on it, an auger, to go down in all the holes there and to get them started to put all these lugs on. Uh, the directions are pretty simple here, but it's just 3 pages. There's a schematic, and then it's got a picture for the one I like. Shows you all the components and where they go and all. And there's all the lugs I got to put on the board. Here's all the parts come with it. There's capacitors and yeah, looks like some bridge rectifiers, and there's some diodes, and there's some variable capacitors, and I don't see no resistors. But oh yeah, here we go. Here's some resistors, capacitors. There's a heat sink with a regulator on it. Yeah, it's got 2 little pins on that regulator right there. You can see it. And I drilled 2 little holes there where the regulator goes. I don't forgot where it went. Right there. I drilled two little holes right there for the little pins to go in. But anyway, that right there be your C minus, and then your C plus, and then here's 135 volts, and here's 90 volts, and 67 volts, and 45 volts, and 22 volts, and a B minus. Now this C plus and C minus, that's variable. I think it goes to your filaments. So the transformer go here. But anyway, let me put all them lugs in there, and I'll get back to it. Okay, I got all the lugs in. There's about 40 some in there, I think. You notice some of them aren't lined up exactly, but that's the way it showed it on the board to do. So that's the way I did it. Some of these that were real close to the end, it kind of wrinkled that vinyl up. When this thing come, it just a piece of pine, and it had a sticker that you just put over top of it there. But anyway, the next thing to do is mount the transformer here and mount the heat sink regulator that goes right here. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, I got the transformer and regulator on there. You guys see the heat sink. The thing about this heat sink was you had to drill 2 holes in there and then kind of beat it down into there. But it had a lug right there, and they wanted you to take a wire tie and go through this top hole and pull that lug together to hold it on there sturdy, which it does. But I had to wring the lug out a little bit because the wire tie wouldn't go through the lug. Anyway, it's in there good. And then the transformer, I got it mounted, and I decided to go ahead and solder the wires because I'm trying to get them on the, see if you can see the terminals have 2. They got one at the top and one at the bottom. I've been trying to get these on the bottom because when I hook the components up, it'll be easier to hook them up. But anyway, I got the transformer and the wires all hooked up, and now I'm going to wire it. So that's what I'm going to do right now, I guess. It says to do it in one session. I don't know whether or not I want to sit here and do it all right now tonight or not, but I don't know. Might as well ain't doing nothing else. So I'll get back when I get done with it. Okay, I got it all wired there. Turn it around here like this. But okay, I got the transformer on. I put the power transistor here, and the what I done. These leads just soldered on. These wires soldered on to them leads on that regulator, and I put some heat shrinking tubing on those to keep them from shorting or anything. Anyway, I've got it all wired now. I got to put the components on it. It's taking longer than I thought to do this, but take your time and don't get no big hurry. I'm gonna quit for the night. Might look at it again in the morning, check my work, and make sure I got everything right. But anyway, that's it on the power supply for tonight. Well, I got it done, and it turned out pretty well. There's all the connections on it. I got it hooked up right now, so I don't want to touch anything, because I just plugged it up. Nothing smoked, so I guess everything's okay. I'm fixing to check some voltages on it right now. I feel the transformer getting warm. All right, I got a minus and a B plus right there, so I mean A. This is for the filament, and it should be about 6 volts. But it's not. It's move that up. It shows 3 volts. Let's see, I mean, adjust it up to. I can get my. There we go. Okay, let's see. Let's go up to about 6. Let's see, it's 6 volts. Okay, that's the filament voltage. And then I think the bias, C-bias over here, is supposed to be anywhere from 4 to, let me see, I think it goes from about 7. I want it probably about 7. Let's see what it is there now. It's 12 volt. So I'll back it down. Whoops, it's the wrong way. Okay, there's 7 volts. Oh, that thing's touchy. There's 7 volts. But anyway, it's ready to hook up now. I'm trying to get familiar with it and see. I noticed like right here I got this is my B minus, and let's see, I should get you don't want to get that over too close. Alright, that'll be 22 volts. It's 23.2. That's close enough, I guess. And this is 45 volts. That's 44.6. That's right. This is 67 volts. 66 volts it's got on there. So it's 90 volts. 87.5. And then 135 volts. 130 volts. I don't think tuning that filament, surely that wouldn't. There it went up to 130 volts, but it's supposed to be 135. But I'm going to try something here. Yeah, I can't get my screwdriver in there. I can't do that off one hand. But anyway, that would run the radio. Only thing I got to do now is figure out how to hook it up to the Crosley. That's what I want to do.